Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to easily copy a message from a group chat on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC with the latest update. First, open your browser and head to x.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look for the messages icon on the left side of your screen and click it. This will take you to your direct messages, where all your private and group conversations are stored. Next, find the group chat where the message you want to copy is located. Click on the group to enter the conversation. Now, scroll through the chat and locate the exact message you need. Once you've found it, move your mouse pointer over the message. As you hover, you'll notice 3 dots appear to the right of the message. Click on these 3 dots to open a small menu of options. From this menu, select Copy Message. The text of the message will now be copied to your clipboard, ready for you to paste wherever you like, whether it's in another chat, an email, a document, or anywhere else you need it. This update makes it much simpler to share important information or save messages for later, without the hassle of manual highlighting or worrying about missing part of the text. Just a couple of clicks, and you're done. So, to recap, open X from your browser and log in. Go to Messages, then select your group chat. Find the message, hover over it, and click the 3 dots. Choose Copy Message, and you're all set. With these quick steps, copying messages from group chats on X is now effortless and efficient. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips for making the most of your X experience. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.